probably see, there is a fan because it's insanely hot in this place. I'm hoping you can even hear me over this because it's quite loud. Let me turn this down a little. Oh, it's a bit of a cheap old crap fan which doesn't really stay up very well, but I need to be this close to it. Now, the whole point of this channel is I want to make stuff. I want to build things. I want to know how to do it. I want to just give it my best shot, just have a go. And I think that's the point of a lot of these beginners channels where people want to sort of develop their skills and share the knowledge with people and learn things from people, and that's exactly what I want to do. But I thought I'd show you this because even though I didn't film the process of making it, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. The fan didn't have a stand, or it might have at some point, but it's already too hot. But there was nowhere, and this might sound a bit silly because there's a lot of walls and things, and I live in a flat. I live in an apartment, for people who don't know what a flat is. It wouldn't stay anywhere that would hold it up properly, where it was quiet and working well. If I was going to put that fan on something, it would rattle and make all sorts of noise, and I just didn't want that. So, I finally, and I know I probably should have filmed the making of this, but I had a spare corner shelf laying around. One that was probably up on the wall at some point, but I've been doing a lot of sorting and decorating and just trying to make this place a little bit better. And I had little bits of wood lying around and I didn't have to cut, and they just, that was almost perfect, the fit there. But all it is a corner shelf. I didn't measure them or anything. I was so hot I wanted to put it together and just use it, so it would stand up. What I have noticed is if I tilt it too far down, it's a little bit front heavy, so I think I need to put another bit of wood at the front there just to stop from tilting and tipping over. But I had a hole saw, which was from my DeWalt little sort of drill box kit thing, which I'll show you in another video. I had one, it comes with two, and one was the perfect diameter for this section here with the threaded part in it, so I could put that through, screw that on, and underneath that was part of the fan assembly. I don't really know why. I've got a feeling this was just supposed to sit on something and clamp it on, but I didn't have anything. So I had these laying around. I didn't measure them. I just put some screws in as neatly as I possibly could, drilled through the hole saw, and that's it. And it's okay. It's all right. I'm quite proud of myself for it. If I could just screw this back on. This is a bit I'm not very good at because my hands aren't. There's a lot of stuff about me, but my hands aren't doing too good, which is part of the reason why I don't play guitar anymore. So yeah, that's the little fan stand that I made, and I just thought I'd show it to you guys. I finally made something, and I just want to say, and I know it's probably some people will think, oh, it's a bit early, but I've got 9 subscribers. I've had a handful of people watching the videos, and I'm really grateful for that. That's picked me up quite a bit. It's made my day. When I checked on the app, I could see there's got quite a few views, and people have commented, just offering some support and some help, and I really appreciate it. It's great. So I just wanted to show you guys the first thing that I've built since starting this little venture. yeah, my fan. And I'm going to end the video there because I'm boiling. See you in the next one.